Hi there everyone, Josie here, Life at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here in my channel. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you, and it's in a farmhouse style home decor, and it's for July 4th Independence Day collaboration that I'm having with two other fantastic ladies. And they were originally part of the Nana's Design Studio July 4th or Independence Day collaboration back in 2017. And if you have been following me here in my channel, I hosted one last year, 2018, as sort of a reunion and also to commemorate that collaboration because Nana from Nana's Design Studio has passed away in October of 2017, the year when we did the collaboration. So not only are we celebrating Independence Day, we're also honoring a friend who made it possible for creative individuals here on YouTube to be together. And the two fine ladies that are going to be doing this collaboration with me this year, 2019, one is Petalisbless, and if you are into glam, that's the channel you want to go to. Actually, she's really amazing with her projects, and she does a lot of Dollar Tree or dollar store projects or DIYs, and I tell you, she is into those bling bling. So if you like those, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. And I am so excited to see what she's up to or what she's going to do for this 4th of July. And then also there's Tisha from Dollar Tree Home Decor. Actually, her channel was known as Couponing Forever, and she changed it to Dollar Tree Home Decor. And of course, as her channel name implies, she does a lot of Dollar Tree DIYs, and she actually delves into both glam and farmhouse styles. So if you want the variety as well, go ahead and subscribe to her channel. After watching my video, please hop onto their channels to watch theirs as well. And there's one more channel that I want you to check, and that's Nana's Design Studios channel. Her channel is still up. A lot of her contents are evergreen, so you could still watch them, learn her technique, and you can still apply them to this day. So also, if you want some inspiration, she had served in the military before. That's why she really loves the 4th of July. Okay, so let's get on with my DIY. So I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree wooden art piece. And I had a previous project where I used this, and this is how I prepared it. I removed the triangular wooden blocks that were reinforcing each corner. And I'm going to be linking that project on the upper right hand corner. Then what I've done afterwards is glue the corners together. So this has been partially glued already. I'm just going to show you how I will glue the last two corners. You will just use your hot glue, apply it in the corner, and if something oozes out on the sides or the corners, make sure to scrape it out. Allow the glue to dry, and then I am going to be putting these craft sticks. These are the large ones that you can get at Walmart, and I'm just flipping over my art piece, and I'm just using the top as my guide, and then I'm going to be marking the line here, and then I'm just going to be cutting it. So I'm just trying to cut through this line, and you will see me also trim it some more if it doesn't fit, because I measured it from the outside, not from the inside of the frame, and then making sure that it fits. And then once I trim my first stick, I will use that as my guide or as my template for the other 10 sticks. So all I do is put the longer stick under the template stick, and then I just use the template stick as my guide to keep the measurement the same. After cutting all the 11 pieces of wood or craft sticks to size, I'm going to go ahead and adhere them to the back or the underside of my frame. And as you can see here, I just use a couple of dabs of glue, one on each end. I'm going to go ahead and connect more. You might want to test it out first also for spacing. I am giving it some space in between, not a whole lot, because the 11 pieces of craft sticks don't fit very evenly unless, of course, I kind of give them a little bit of space in between. And if I don't do that, if I am sticking all the sticks close to each other, there will be a small space left, and it's going to be hard to fill that in with another craft stick. So just try them out first for spacing, maybe before you apply the glue. Put all the 11 sticks and see how they're going to be spaced. After I attach all 11 craft sticks to the back of the frame, I'm going to go ahead and apply paint. I'm going to be using chalk paint that I diluted with water because I only have a little bit left of the chalk paint. Plus, I kind of want to give this a whitewash finish, so that's why I have diluted it with water. I'm going to go ahead and paint all the craft sticks, maybe just a coat or at most probably 2 coats. And I'm also going to be painting the sides, the inner sides and the outer sides of the frame. Next, I'm going to be using this God Bless America metal hanging sign that I got at Dollar Tree. What I'm going to do is remove the chain, remove the star from the chain. So I'm just going to be detaching the star from the God Bless America sign. Once I separate the 2 pieces, I will be using them to embellish my frame or to decorate my frame. So the only parts of this metal sign that I'm not going to be using are the 2 black chain links that you see there that I removed. After the paint has dried, I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the star at the center. Using my hot glue, I'm just applying glue at the 5 corner or the pointed corners of the star. Next, I'm going to go ahead and use this sandpaper so that I can remove the shine or the glossy finish from this top part here of the frame. So in order to dull that side there, I'm using this sandpaper, which they also sell at Dollar Tree. And then using my E6000 or any stronghold glue that you may have, I am applying it here on the very top towards the edge, because this is just a small portion of that God Bless America sign that will be attaching here. And then in some of the spaces where there are no E6000, I'm going to be putting my hot glue. The reason why is because hot glue dries faster than the E6000, but the E6000, when it dries, it's stronger than the hot glue. So just make sure that you're centered and enough space. So just let it dry. And what I've done is also reinforce some more glue on the top here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and clean it up. So here it is, and I just want to show you this 2-tier wooden tray that I created similar to what I just did today, but what I've done is I just stacked them up one on top of each other, and I like it a lot. Now they are in this location here on top of my entertainment center. At the center is our Americana style sailboat, and I love this piece a lot, and I'm glad that we got this one, but I figured it's time that it has another piece next to it. So this is how I hung it. There is just that galvanized nail there, and I hung it from the letter S, and it's good anyway because it camouflages the nail. And this is how it looks like now on top of our entertainment center. And I like the candles too. They are set up with red, white, and blue. Perfect for the 4th of July. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be interested in also celebrating 4th of July. But this one, actually, you can keep it up not only for celebrating Independence Day, but if you like the Americana theme in your home, the rustic look or the country style look or farmhouse look, you can keep it up all year round, especially if you want to be patriotic all year round. And I want to say thank you to Petalisbless and Tisha from Dollar Tree Home Decor, aka Couponing Forever. Thank you for participating in our small collaboration this year. Hopefully next year we will have the other gals also participating, and we might open this up as an open collab to you all as well if you like to celebrate the 4th of July. And I want to end this video with a clip from Nana from Nana's Design Studio.
I want to wish you a happy and safe 4th of July, okay? Remember, bring that color in your life because the 4th is going to come booming in. Bye for now.